I'm gonna do a clay mask. I put a little bit of what's it called? I don't even know what's it called. Apple vinegar, that's what it's called. I really hardly break out on my face, but I do get like blackheads, no muchos. I'm really good about keeping my face clean because it's the one thing that I could see, but I am breaking out from my back, like really bad. But I can't really do anything about that. It's like in my back.
Yo tengo un problema de alcohol, yo no sé por qué soy así. Pa' mí que el doctor estaba bebiendo el día que yo nací. Baby, pon la mano en el suelo y huégate con el pelo. Tu cuerpo es puro veneno, bebé, tú me llevas al cielo.
So you just honestly place it wherever you're breaking out, but I like placing it everywhere. Not on your hair, obviously. I do have a nose piercing, so I need to go like kind of like around it. I'm gonna get like the inside of my nostril, my right here, whatever that's called. Oh, and this clay mask, you could get it at Sprouts, I think. That's where I got it, and it's honestly like un frasco, like a size of a teacup mug, like your average mug, and it's $14, I wanna say, around that price. No more than 20. Was that? Pero like it sounds pricey. It sounds pricey, but honestly, it's totally worth it because te va a durar un chingo. To be honest, te va a durar un buen rato. Si no peleamos nunca regreso y por eso yo me quiero ir pa' casa, pero tú no me dejes. Oh, yo no utilizo una makeup brush, so how do you get this to zoom in? It's not focusing on the brush, so I'm just using this brush, just a regular brush from HB Cosmetics. It's like a flat brush, obviously. Honestly, you could use whatever you want. Like the first time I used like a paintbrush. So yeah, let me get some. So the reason I got this mask was because I have like peach fuzz on your mustache, you know, sometimes you have like little pelitos, like very tiny, like not even noticeable, but they're there. Peach fuzz or whatever. Peach hair. Well, the reason I got this is because of that. Because somebody told me if you wax your mustache, because I break out, I get granitos afterwards, and I hate it. That's why I don't really do it. And somebody recommended this to do it right after, and like it didn't really work. So if you guys have any recommendations on that, let me know, because I don't have peach feathers on my mustache, but I rather have them than break out. So sometimes you just have to compromise. And well, that's that. Leave it for 10 or 15 minutes, and then you wash it off with warm water. Back, guys. I washed it, and then I washed it off with warm water, and then I used like I cleansed it, like me lo lavé con jabón, a face wash or whatever that my sister had in the bathroom. Sorry, Connie. And then I put moisturizer on. Look at this shit. But back to my mustache. If you guys know anything, any remedies for that, for getting granitos after you like thread your mustache or wax or whatever, let me know, because I'm trying to find something that works for me, because I don't want that. Thank you for watching my face mask, clay face mask. Tune in for another video. And if you guys have any suggestions of videos that you guys want me to create or do or act, or things that you want me to try, let me know. Peace.